Welcome to the Waldorf Astoria, Washington. I would say room, but okay. First, you got this foyer, pretty spacious. I'm assuming this is real marble. Feels like it. Come this way. This is huge. Look at this room. You're getting to meet Prince Charles, the real Prince Charles. Look at this. I want to jump on it, I'm not going to do it. You could actually have a dance hall in here, so okay. Nice size TV. This is an office. Like I want to write a book. We're gonna write ABCs first, though. Well, let me learn that. Okay. This is the bar. I'm assuming it is. Let's see what we got. Nice. Down. Oh yeah. I think we'll be tasting that later. Some nice china. I would open this, but there's a key here, so I'm pretty sure if I turn that key, we probably gonna be charged $1,000. So I'm not gonna do that. Let's pull this back up. Another chase. Just relaxing. Off to the bed. Again, I want to jump on it so bad, I'm waiting. Beautiful bathroom. I can come in. Okay, look at this. Two sinks. Somebody had to fight over the sink. What is this? Aesop? I know this is good too. Beautiful shower. Oh, this looks like bath salts. We're definitely going to use this later. Okay, as you can see, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous bathroom. I spend a lot of time in the bathroom. Sorry. And lastly,